Obila kawuono omako ji 147 ma itudo gi bago ng'anyo e tok chik. Ogai mar obila matiyo e yor kojolo Gilbert Masengeli oyango ni jogo mane obago ng'anyo kata mane obago ng'anyo kawuono ne ok omi puoth ne tayo chenrono. Masengeli ma oloso seche mag odhiambo bang' ng'anyogo wacho ni ok gineno midhiero kipimo gi ng'anyo ma osekalo. Kata kamano okoni pod giluwo ndach achije moko.
Today, minimal skirmishes were witnessed in downtown Nairobi, Kisii, and Migori towns where attempts by goons to loot property was effectively thwarted by police officers. Unlike recent demonstrations that were marred with wanton destruction of property, looting, injuries, and loss of lives, today the country remained peaceful and normalcy prevailed. Except in Nairobi, where one officer was injured, we also arrested a total of 174 suspects, that is 126 in Nairobi, 22 in Kitengela, Rift Valley, 26 at Emali in Makueni County. Consequently, the National Police Service would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank all law-abiding Kenyans for preserving peace and maintaining law and order across the country today. Kenya is a democratic country, and as a service, we wish to reiterate our commitment to promoting democratic policing that upholds the rule of law, professionalism, transparency, and accountability.